Meet the robot that's changing how walls get painted. Faster, smarter, and safer. This is Paco by Les Companions, France's smart collaborative robot built to transform interior painting. Before a single drop of paint touches the wall, Paco scans the entire space in 3D, creating a precise digital model of walls and ceilings. With a simple tablet, operators define the painting zones, and Paco takes over, moving autonomously and spraying paint evenly using an advanced airless system. It works up to 3.5 meters high, runs on batteries, and sets up in minutes. Paco boosts productivity, reduces physical strain, and makes job sites safer. This is the future of painting. This excavator just went fully robotic, and it's changing construction forever. Meet Built Robotics Exos, the advanced autonomy system turning standard excavators into smart robotic machines. This powerful aftermarket kit installs on major brands like Caterpillar, Hitachi, John Deere, and Volvo, right on site within hours. Exos adds 360-degree cameras, GPS, sensors, and onboard computing to enable autonomous trenching, digging, and earth moving. It works with minimal supervision while keeping full manual control when needed. Through the cloud-based Everest platform, operators can remotely monitor and manage multiple machines at once. Exos boosts productivity, cuts labor demands, and speeds up project timelines. This is the future of construction automation. Efficient, reliable, and unstoppable. This machine levels concrete with laser precision and saves hours of work. This is the Screed Saver Ultra Plus by Luyten, a laser-guided concrete screeding machine built for massive flatwork projects. Designed for industrial slabs, warehouse floors, and wide commercial pours, it screeds more surface area in less time with unbeatable accuracy. Powered by a 45-horsepower turbocharged diesel engine, it features selectable four-wheel drive, 2-speed range, and independent four-wheel steering for total control on tough job sites. Its heavy-duty boom extends up to 20 feet, paired with a high-performance screed head for wide coverage. With advanced controls and laser leveling, this machine makes concrete work faster, smarter, and incredibly efficient. This tiny robot demolishes concrete like a beast, safely and remotely. Meet the Brokk 200, a compact yet insanely powerful remote-controlled demolition robot built for the toughest jobs. Designed for confined construction and renovation sites, it smashes walls, floors, and ceilings with precision. Weighing just 2.1 tons, it delivers 27.5 kilowatts of Brokk smart power to run breakers, crushers, grapples, and cutters. With a vertical reach of 5.45 meters and horizontal reach of 5.1 meters, it hits hard-to-reach angles with ease. Operated safely from up to 300 meters away, the Brokk 200 boosts safety, efficiency, and productivity. This is Demolition, smarter, safer, and unstoppable. This robot doesn't just build walls, it prints entire buildings. Meet Phoenix by Icon, the revolutionary multi-story 3D construction robot redefining how buildings are made. This massive robotic printer constructs walls, foundations, and even roofs using a proprietary low-carbon concrete mix. Reaching heights up to 27 feet, Phoenix transforms digital blueprints into real structures through Icon's BuildOS software. Powered by advanced materials like Carbon X and Lavacrete, it slashes waste, labor needs, and build time. With fewer operators and rapid setup, it makes construction faster, smarter, and more scalable. Demonstrated in Austin, Texas, Phoenix proves automated 3D printing is the future of affordable, sustainable housing. This robot prints buildings faster, smarter, and right on site. Meet the Luyten 3D concrete printer, a game-changing innovation in smart construction. Developed in Australia, this advanced robotic system uses AI-driven automation to print concrete structures directly on site. Instead of traditional formwork and heavy manual labor, it builds walls and structural elements layer by layer with incredible precision. The Platypus series handles wide, tall, and long builds, making it perfect for homes, commercial spaces, and infrastructure projects. By reducing waste, speeding up construction, and cutting labor costs, Luyten is making building more efficient and more sustainable. This is the future of construction, printed, automated, and unstoppable. This robot installs elevators inside skyscraper shafts, all by itself. Meet Schindler R.I.S.E, the robotic system transforming how elevators are installed in high-rise buildings. Instead of sending workers into narrow vertical shafts, this smart robot climbs the shaft autonomously and works floor by floor with precision. It drills holes, places anchors, and positions guide rails with incredible accuracy. Digitally connected to building models, R.I.S.E follows exact installation data and records every step for future reference. By handling the toughest, most repetitive tasks, it boosts worker safety and speeds up project timelines. Already used on major projects worldwide, Schindler R.I.S.E proves automation is making construction faster, safer, and more reliable. This robot ties rebar by itself and saves workers hours of back-breaking labor. Meet the Max rebar-tying robot, an advanced autonomous machine transforming concrete construction. It moves across rebar grids and automatically ties intersections with consistent precision. Using smart sensors, it identifies tie points, plans efficient routes, and adjusts its path when obstacles appear. Instead of workers bending for hours to tie wire by hand, this robot works continuously while crews supervise. Built on years of experience with high-speed battery-powered tying tools, it reduces physical strain, improves consistency, and boosts productivity. The Max Rebar Tying Robot proves how smart automation is making job sites safer, faster, and more efficient, so teams can focus on higher-value work.